Oh, mama cow, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh, mama cow, I really wanna see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau? Oh, mama cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, mama cow. Oh, mama cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, my mama cow. Oh, mama cow.
Okay, so we're at the Fortaleza Mont Fortress Park. So you can overlook the city up here. There's a bunch of pigeons. I'm gonna walk over there in a minute. But we're gonna be kind of exploring this whole area around this park area. Show you the cannons, but we're gonna start down there with the pigeons. Okay, I'm kind of feeling a little bit Portuguese, so I did this for another video. I'm gonna do it here too. Got my hood. So this is gonna be the Mont Fortress one. So this one is a park that kind of goes around, and basically I'm going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And it's another slice of Macau. It's it has some really good views. I think a lot of tourists end up in this area. It's next to Sao Paulo ruins, and we're going to go all the way down into Sao Paulo ruins anyways in this particular video. So it's a nice little slice of the city for people to view. We also got some music. I'll put that up here as well so you can see what the lyrics were. And we're going to get right into it. So let's do the walk and talk time for Mont Fortress Park. Let's see if they scare the pigeons. It's really nice up here. So we could walk down this way, but I think I'm going to walk the other way. They both are good. Okay, so this is going to be the park that goes around Mont Fortress. Mont Fortress is right here, all the cannons. So this would have protected the city, and they actually did use those cannons against the Dutch when the Dutch wanted to take over the Portuguese, what do you call it, town, civilization, whatever. So we're going to stick with our park. But if we wanted to, we could go up a little bit into here. This at the top, you can walk around the fortress, which is I have filmed it other times. You'll have a little bit better views, but you'll have good views from here too. So we'll just stick with our park. It's nice up here though. Then we have some cannons. We're gonna come right up to one of the cannons right now. Then we'll just keep on strolling around. Here's one of the cannons right here. There we go. We're gonna get more views because we're gonna go down that way as well. And there's all the cannon walls as well. So I think that this is actually has another name too. So this one right here is Camino dos the road of the artillery, but this one goes and then it goes down. So I think they share a little bit of space right here. But the park is where we started at, and we're gonna walk further down towards the park in this direction. Okay. Probably get some good views around here too. So right there is the name, Parque de Fortaleza de Mont. And this whole area is going to be the park. Let me just see. So I think we're going to be walking down this way and around, but you can see some of the park goes that direction as well. Then you got canyons up there with some nice views. I'm kind of tempted to go this way. Let's see. Yeah, we go down this way. So we could actually go this way and around like that, but instead we're going to go down. They're both. It's both part of the park, though. Actually, this is kind of good because then you get to see the other sides of the fortress. And then down this way, yeah, this is better up here. You can see Sao Paulo ruins right there. And I think there's a way to go down from over here anyway, so. And you have the fortress as well. And then there's also these little tunnels underneath as well, but they're blocked now. Okay, so let's keep on going to the park, and then I think we're gonna go to the right, but it looks like there's a lot of left, but there's a lot of people coming up that way. Let's see if we can do that.
就从这里下去是吧？对对对，就是那下去。哦，好好，谢谢。因为这路有点太陡了。走哪里？走走走走走，我拉着妹妹。我走前面。
So we're walking down the steeper steps, but we could have went the other way too, which was better. But this is okay too. There we go. And you can hear a lot of people at Sao Paulo ruins right now. That's where we were at just at. Yeah, we might actually walk all the way to Sao Paulo ruins, actually. This is all part of the park anyways, but the park is bigger than just this. But if I had to film all of it, it would take probably 30 minutes. Some pathways. And you can actually take, there's an elevator up there, you can go all the way up to the top. You know what, I'm gonna go this way. So you can kind of see some of the beautiful trees. Fortress. Oh. That's nice. That looks really nice. That's the Sao Paulo ruins right there. So we're going to kind of walk that direction. We're still in the park, and I think what we're going to do is just walk right over there to Sao Paulo ruins and then show you the view. So you basically got an idea of Mont Fortress Park. Over there is actually an escalator, so we could have actually taken that, could have walked on top of it and then came down, but then you wouldn't have been seeing the park specifically. So You walk like this. And then the statue is of Ricky Mateus, I think is his name. But that guy is the first guy to really study the Bible and really soaked in. So I think he's an Italian Jesuit. Mateus Ricky. So yeah, there used to be a giant church over here, and there used to be a and there's a school that was over there as well. That's still there, named after Ricky, R-I-C-C-I. Okay, now we're gonna walk right into Sao Paulo ruins. All right. Let me just kind of navigate through the crowd a little bit. Now we have Sao Paulo ruins right there. Big tourist attraction. And people will come up here. And we started up there, way up by that place. We're just gonna navigate through this. And now we're here. Okay. So the park is basically everything around that little fortress right there. And that. Get out of the sun. Somebody's standing right up there up in the corner. That's actually pretty illegal. They have signs up there, but there's a guy standing on top of the fortress corner there. They're not allowed to stand up on top of the walls.